This linden tree was given to me by President Nataša Pirc-Musa when I was in Slovenia in April, as a symbol of friendship between our neighboring nations, a symbol of the importance of the European integration and of our joint commitment to combating climate change. We have found the perfect spot for this beautiful symbol. It will be planted in a large school garden in Vienna in an avenue of nations. The young people being trained as gardeners there will ensure it continues to grow, just as we hope the friendship between our countries and the success story of the European Union will continue to grow. Happy birthday, Slovenia!
Sretan rođendan Slovenija, srećan rojstni dan. Isten éltesse Szlovéniát!